So this is something that doesn't happen very often. It's pretty rare, but this stain wasn't here when I started. It's something called rewicking, and what it entails is something was spilled on this seat and cleaned up, but it penetrated down underneath through the top fabric and into the padding, and while the stain wasn't visible when I started, after I started to clean and extract it, it actually activated the product again, and the top cloth wicked up the stain. So we'll see if I can tackle this one, get it removed. If not, the worst case scenario is having the padding replaced on this seat. So we'll check in later, and maybe I'll win, maybe I'll lose. We'll find out. Okay, we're back. Stain's gone. I won today, so it took a little bit of doing, but the stain that was all there is gone, and got another product that I forced through the fabric into the cushions underneath to help prevent that from happening at a later date. No guarantees, but preventative maintenance is always a good thing. So today I win. Maybe I should go buy a lottery ticket.